everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for all things home decor and design. Today we're diving into a carpet that's not only stylish but also super practical: Sisal carpets. We'll be covering 4 compelling reasons why Sisal carpets should be on your radar. Fire-resistant properties. Let's get started. Reason 1, easy to clean. First up, Sisal carpets are incredibly easy to clean. Unlike some other carpet types that trap dirt and dust, Sisal is a natural fiber that repels dirt and doesn't absorb spills as quickly. That means less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your beautiful floors. Reason 2, easy to cut and fit. Next, Sisal carpets are super easy to cut and fit into any space. You can easily trim it to the perfect size without fraying, which makes it a great choice for custom installations and DIY projects. No more struggling with bulky carpets that won't fit. Sisal makes it simple and seamless. Reason 3, look stunning everywhere. Whether you're going for a modern, minimalist vibe or a cozy, rustic feel, Sisal carpets add a natural, textured look that works with any style. Available in a range of neutral shades, they blend perfectly with different color palettes and interior designs. Plus, their natural fibers add warmth and elegance to any room, creating a timeless aesthetic. Reason 4, fireproof test. And last but definitely not least, Sisal carpets are naturally fire resistant. Unlike synthetic carpets that can easily catch fire, Sisal fibers have a higher ignition point, making them a safer option for your home. So there you have it, 4 fantastic reasons to choose Sisal carpets for your home. They're easy to clean, easy to cut and fit, look stunning everywhere, and are naturally fire resistant. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.